好，今天我们的节目来了一位嘉宾，而他要和大家拜年。发财，发财。What better way to celebrate the Lunar New Year than enjoying these beautiful flamingos at the Jurong Bird Park? 哦，你看那只，它展开它的翅膀了。火焰鸟会不会飞？
不会，
不会飞，说对了。有几只鸟你能数吗？
太多了，
太多了，你说数不清。
数不清。
对了，数不清，太多鸟啦。This visit, we discovered the Breeding and Research Center, which is a wealth of fun and information for big and small kids alike. 你看世界上最大的蛋是什么鸟的蛋？是什么种鸟的蛋 ？Ostrich 叫什么？鸵鸟。
No, it's dinosaur.
恐龙，你说？
恐龙。
And if you're up to it, you can get up close and personal with the birds too. Another highlight is the bird show, which Jaymee enjoyed tremendously. And after the show, it was her turn to get up close and personal with a feathered friend. 院长，火焰鸟。恐龙，翅膀，鸵鸟。